Directed energy weapons, or DEWs, represent a revolutionary leap in military technology, harnessing concentrated energy beams to engage targets. Unlike conventional weapons that rely on projectiles, DEWs deliver energy at the speed of light, offering unprecedented precision and speed. Among the most prominent examples are lasers, which emit highly focused beams of light capable of burning through targets. Microwaves disrupt electronic systems by generating intense heat within them. Particle beams hold the promise of accelerating subatomic particles to incredibly high speeds, inflicting damage upon impact. DEWs are ideal for defensive systems designed to intercept incoming missiles, artillery shells, and even hypersonic threats. As offensive weapons, DEWs offer the ability to strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. Furthermore, DEWs are being explored as a countermeasure against the growing threat posed by drones. The development of DEWs is rapidly progressing from science fiction to practical deployment. Hypersonic missiles are a new breed of weapon that travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5 or 5 times the speed of sound. This incredible velocity, coupled with their maneuverability, makes them a game-changer in modern warfare. Their sheer speed allows them to cover vast distances in minutes, leaving defenders with minimal time to react. Their unpredictable flight paths make them incredibly difficult to track and intercept. This combination of speed, maneuverability, and stealth renders traditional defense mechanisms largely ineffective. Developing hypersonic missiles presents a formidable engineering challenge. The extreme speeds and temperatures these missiles reach necessitate the use of advanced materials. Propulsion systems capable of achieving and sustaining hypersonic speeds are equally complex. The proliferation of hypersonic missiles has profound implications for global security. Autonomous weapon systems, often referred to as killer robots, represent a paradigm shift in warfare, delegating lethal decision-making to machines. These systems, powered by artificial intelligence, operate with varying degrees of autonomy, from selecting and engaging targets to executing entire missions without human intervention. AWS encompass a wide spectrum of platforms, from unmanned aerial vehicles to sophisticated ground-based robots. Unlike traditional weapons systems, AWS operate independently, making decisions based on pre-programmed parameters and real-time analysis. This autonomy raises concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. In the event of an AWS causing unintended harm, determining responsibility becomes complex. The potential for unintended consequences, software errors, or hacking further amplifies these concerns. For decades, science fiction has captivated our imaginations with visions of futuristic weapons systems. Today, many of these once fanciful concepts are transitioning from fiction to tangible realities. Directed energy weapons, once confined to science fiction, are now being tested and deployed by militaries. Lasers, capable of shooting down drones and missiles with pinpoint accuracy, are now a reality. Hypersonic missiles, previously the stuff of futuristic thrillers, are rapidly becoming operational. The increasing sophistication of artificial intelligence is breathing life into autonomous weapons systems. This blurring of science fiction and reality presents both opportunities and challenges. As we stand at the cusp of a new era in warfare, it is imperative that we proceed with caution and responsibility. The development and deployment of these advanced weapon systems present both unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges. The international community must engage in a proactive dialogue to establish clear norms and regulations. This includes ensuring human control over the use of lethal force and preventing the proliferation of destabilizing technologies. It is crucial to foster a culture of responsibility and ethical awareness among those involved in the development and deployment of these systems. This includes promoting transparency, accountability, and a commitment to minimizing civilian harm. By embracing ethical principles and responsible innovation, we can harness these technologies to create a more secure world. The future of warfare is in our hands. Let us shape it wisely.